Guys, we're back on Funko Fusion, and today we're doing all of, what's... I think something about Galaxy, something like that crap. I killed somebody with this. I'm going to pause it. Give me a minute, guys. I'm just gonna give me a minute to pause this. Boom. Today we're 100% completing all of this. Oh, we unlocked that right off the bat, because I claimed all of this. Come on. We have to collect, how many 8 points we gotta collect? We gotta collect 5 of them. And then there's the key switch one over here. Oh, that's for that. I'm not doing that just yet. I gotta hit you with this. Eggplant. Carrot. Let's get these guys over here. Come on. Come. Oh my god, there's so many of them. We need to collect a few more eggplants. How much is this? 40k. Fossils right here. Chest back here. Let's go and get the family. Sure, one's back here. I don't see one back here, so there's just these two. Hit these. Because we need 40k shards. Bro, leave them alone. Who's shooting at them? You are. Leave them alone. Oh my god, I have no weapons out. Drink this, and what do I need over here? I'm gonna bring them over here. Come on. Come on. Keep on following me. Don't want to claim it, we just want to. Now we can do 100% completion without any interference, so we need to find a bunch of those things we gotta find. Can I go over here? Who's calling the goddamn airstrips in? Is it gonna just show that? Oh, do I have to put them in the ship? Okay, that's gonna be annoying for a little bit. Cool. So it's gonna be on the screen for the rest of the video, I guess. Okay, we need a map out. One. Get back. 3. Oh, heal chest is right there. 3. Well, why did I mark you? Okay. Bro, I can't get through there. And I'm sorry, I just probably just reset it. Person, so I'm just gonna try my best to do a fast run. Got less than 12 seconds. I got it actually, you grabbed. I wasted so much time there. How's that like see-through? There's a chest up there, so I should go and climb it pretty soon. Yeah, I need 40k. Need 40k to get eggplant. I need 40k. Okay, there we go. This map is not that big, so what am I missing? I am missing a lot of trophies. I have to do deposit. I still have to do the fight one. I think I did the fight one, right? But this, where is a crafting machine at? Why? I gotta find a charging machine. Charging machine is out here. Okay, we got this one to do, got this. Ow. Oh, why do you hurt me so much, though? Leave me alone, please. I think we're missing one more eggplant. Oh, you're on me. Claim it. We already own this one. Yay, we already own it. Now, I believe if we can get this now. We can definitely get this. I can't wait for the last KFC level. Because that's one you can get. That's one I can get. We're missing one more eggplant. We're missing... So what are we missing? We're missing... this, so we're missing... So we're missing mystery chest. Oh, we're missing this. Yeah, this is one part. Okay, we can do that soon. Okay, we can do that. I just want to see if there's anything down there that's used to me, but I don't see it. Okay, we need to buy a bunch of healing items, and also I need to heal too. Thank you so much. So if we come here, we got to do that puzzle, so I want to do cameo so I also need to get some healing items. I need heal as well too. She's gone. Should I get a double damage potion as well? I don't know. Green machine is back there. I should get a double damage potion. Health potion. Damage potion. Thank you. Wow. Oh, last eggplant's right there. Bro, I'm a literal goddamn turret. I should use it in boss fights more often. It's infinite ammo use. Why is this longer than a minute? Let's go. Okay. Okay, we want to go. Why am I stuck? Bro, I think there's an achievement. I don't know if there's an achievement or not. But potion achievement. I never seen it. I don't. Then that might be achievement. Okay, now we gotta figure out what to do with this. This can be anywhere. I don't know what this. I know what that is. Should I just? So if it is, so I'm looking for a card there. So what am I looking for? Hey guys, I'm wasting time at this point, so I'm gonna be. Hey guys, I think I know what to do because I remember seeing these type of items once, and I used a block light on it, so I'm gonna try to use the block light on it to see if it spawns. So I gotta use black light on it. Nice. One dot. Then I have to go find that location. I remember doing that once. Can't wait for this level to be completed. And you start posting about other stuff. Thank you. Get this, would be done. Get this. And then last one is probably, I think I know where it is. Let me come up here. Okay, we grab the black light. Just in case. Black light, just in case. Then we have it. I think I probably know where it is because it has a. Right here. crowned and we're done. Claim this, and now this is gonna be the last trophy. Now we can say goodbye to this level. I got a few more levels to do before I can be done. And I'm so close to my last KFC bucket too. So I have to go to all level 5 to get the bucket of KFC bucket for the character. Now we're completing every single cameo character now. %, complete. Now we're doing this. Right, I got that. See you guys in that video.